everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change colors in order to create this triangle effect. I've used this technique on Frankenstein's hair, as well as on this plant pot in order to create a fun pattern using two different colors. This video is going to be showing you how to make the color change only. If you'd like the bunny pattern, links to the free pattern and video tutorial will be in the description below. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I'll be using worsted weight yarn in black and lime green and a size E 3.5mm crochet hook. Of course, you can use any weight yarn and hook size that you'd like. I've started on the top part of my bunny and now I'm going to change colors. This is just like tapestry crochet where you work with two different colors, but instead we won't be carrying the yarn behind our work. In order to achieve the triangle shape, you're just going to drop and pick up the yarn for each color change. Don't carry it behind the work and don't crochet over it. The pattern for this will be to single crochet every other stitch in the new color. So single crochet one in black, then single crochet one in green. And we're going to repeat that pattern all the way around until we hit our stitch marker. I'm starting this round with a black single crochet. I'm going to insert my hook into this stitch, yarn over and pull through. Now normally you would just yarn over and pull through these two loops to finish the stitch. Instead, I'm going to drop the black yarn, bring in my lime green, and lay it over my hook like so. Then I'm going to pull the green yarn through the two black loops, and that completes the stitch. Now I like to take the working black yarn and just tug it just gently to tighten that stitch down. Now I'm going to make a single crochet in green into the next stitch. So you're going to insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, but you're not going to complete the stitch. Just drop the green yarn, pick up the black yarn, yarn over, and then complete the single crochet. You can tighten the green yarn down again. Now we're going to repeat that sequence all the way around. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, drop your black yarn, yarn over, and complete the stitch with the green. So you can see that our color changes are starting to form. Now I'm going to repeat this all the way around. As you're crocheting, just make sure that your tension is even and you're not pulling your stitches too tight. Otherwise, your work will start to pucker. I'll be ending this round with a green single crochet, which means that you can go ahead and fasten off your black yarn because we will not need it anymore. For the next round, I'm going to be crocheting all in green. This is what the back of your work should look like after doing all of the color changes. And this is what the front of it looks like. So as I crochet around with the green, you can see that the triangles will start to form where the black is. Like so. So after you've completed the round, if you did it the way I showed, you shouldn't have any black dots showing up. You should just have a defined triangle where the colors change. And that's how you change colors to create this fun triangle shape. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!